Craftsman LT1000 tractor project. I have a nice clean service and a brand new engine.
See what we got here. The Craftsman. It's a Briggs and Stratton motor.
Yes.
It's been rebranded Craftsman.
Yes. Alright, here we have a Craftsman LT1000 plus tractor. It's a dump find. I think it looked more or less like that with the original engine some time ago, and I added up the price of all the parts to repair the original engine, and then someone twisted my arm regarding buying a brand new, in the box, in a crate engine, V-twin, 2-cylinder, 24 horsepower, and so it's all bolted in. It's never been run. It's all plumbed up. Let me pull it out again, but I would have started up. Make sure it runs properly. It doesn't have a muffler. It's going to be very loud. It's got pipes behind the oil cans.